Alright, we're going to be using Meguiars headlight restoration kit, the heavy duty. And we're going to try and clear up these headlights here and give a review on the kit. And taping up the headlight so when you wet sand, you don't scratch up the paint. Just kind of protects them. Plus you got the drill that you got to drill on there. So just open the hood and put some masking tape around it. Alright, you got two sanding discs here, 1000 grit, and then like a polisher kind of one. Put this one first onto the Velcro handle that they provide. Make sure you clean the glass like a glass cleaner or water or whatnot. Now it's time to wet sand. Alright, you want to wipe it off after you sand. Wipe it off, you're gonna get all that oxidation off on like a paper towel. And then you switch from this sander to the 3000 grit sandpaper. And you wet it up and repeat the process of sanding while it's wet, and then wipe it off. And repeat the steps until you like the results you got. And then we move on to the buffer. But for now, we're gonna put this sandpaper on the handle and repeat the process. Next step is to get your drill. Use the polisher that they provide for your drill, the polisher tool, and add your polisher to it and just start polishing. See, I pat mine. I got the polisher compound on the polisher, and I pat it, and then I start with the drill polishing. Next step is to apply the sealant on, and you use that with the pad here. And we'll just wipe it down over your headlight. That Meguiars heavy duty headlight restoration kit is amazing. Look at that. I mean, look at that. And I haven't started the other one, but it used to look like that, and now it looks like that. That is amazing. The Meguiars headlight restoration kit I highly recommend. It's $29 or $30, but do not go with any other headlight restoration kit. This is the kit, and the heavy duty is what you want. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up the car, but highly recommend. 10 out of 10 on that one. Money well spent.